In this video, you'll learn how to create playlists on TikTok to organize similar videos, making it easier for your followers to find specific content. First, we have to check if you have the playlist option. On your TikTok profile page, if the playlist feature is available, you'll see an option at the top that says Sort videos into a playlist. This feature isn't available to everyone. It usually activates automatically once you reach a certain number of followers. Some creators receive this at 200,000 followers, but others may get it sooner or later. If available, simply tap on the option to start creating your playlist. Give it a descriptive name, select the videos you want to include in the playlist, and tap Create Playlist. To create additional playlists, simply tap the plus sign on your profile. If you don't have a playlist, you can try to increase your follower account, which may unlock the playlist feature. Or you can try joining TikTok testers. Simply go to the settings menu and look for TikTok testers, a beta program where you can sign up to access new features earlier. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.